Alright, this is your research guide helper for your psychological disorders assignment. You're going to go to readylibrary.com and then you're going to scroll down until you see the psychological disorders research guide. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you can click here to actually go to the research guide. For this assignment, you need to use Mac and VIA databases, not Google Scholar or Wikipedia or anything like that. You're going to open Mac and VIA in another tab. You're going to use your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday to log in to Mac and VIA. Over here on the left-hand side where it says databases, you're going to need to click on that. I would go ahead and change this to 60 just so you have all the databases on one page and you don't have to go to multiple pages. Here is some information about how to set up your references page in APA format. This is information here, and then you can also click here to open up a link with the basic rules for setting up your page. Once you're in Mac and VIA, one of the places you might want to start is Encyclopedia Britannica. So you're going to go back to Mac and VIA here, and it says Britannica School, and you're going to click Open Now. When you are searching in Encyclopedia Britannica, you're going to type in your search term. You're going to want to stick with the level 3 sources, and then you'll notice that there are several different articles, some of which are going to apply to the information that you need if this is your topic. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one just to show you some things here within the Encyclopedia Britannica. Over here, you can go to different areas within the article. You can also click this, the table of contents, and it'll take you to different areas within the article. Right here, you're going to go to Cite, and you're going to want to make sure that you change the citation style to APA, and then you're going to copy and paste this whole citation into your reference page for your assignment. Alright, and going back to our research guide, I've given you some information there, as well as some helpful images and links here to help you, images and information to help you. Another place you can go is the EBSCO Consumer Health Complete. So again, we're going to go to Mac and VIA, and this time we're going to go to EBSCO Host right here. We're going to click Open Now, and then we're going to go right here where it says Consumer Health Complete. We're going to click on that, and you're going to type in your search term again. Click Search. You may want to focus on encyclopedias, reference books, possibly fact sheets and pamphlets. Whenever you choose an article, in order to get your citation, you have to do a couple of steps here. All of the steps for getting to your citation are right here in the research guide. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go Print, and then right here I'm going to change my citation format to APA. I'm going to choose Print again. Now I'm not actually going to print, so I'm going to click Cancel, and then my citation is right here. This is what I need to copy. If you want the permanent link to the article, if you want to put that in a Google Doc or on your references page, you can, and then that way you can always just click back on that to get right back to the same article. When you're done, you're going to click back, and then you can go back to the result list and look at a different resource. Alright, and another database that you may want to consider is the Gail Student Resources in Context. We're going to go back to Mac and VIA, and we're going to scroll down until we see the Student Resources in Context. We're going to go Open Now. We're going to type in our search term again. And over here on the right, you'll notice that there are different types of resources. For this one, you're probably going to want to focus on the reference resources. You will notice that there are some differentiation as far as the difficulty of the resource and the reading. Green is basic, yellow is intermediate, and a red triangle is advanced. So keep that in mind as you're looking here. So if you find one that you want, you're going to click on it. For your citation, you're going to go right over here to Citation Tools, and you're going to choose APA, and then you're going to copy and paste the citation information into your reference page. Another thing about Gail Student Resources and Context is you can sign in with your Google account. I have a bunch of Google accounts on here. So you can sign in with your Google account, and then you can choose to download the source straight into your Google Drive so you have it for later reference. And the last source I'm going to show you is a last resort resource, because this does not provide citations in APA format for you, but MLA. So if you need to use this resource, you will need to make a separate MLA works cited page and paste your references for this resource onto that page. Plus, this one's a little tricky to get to. So to get to the Health and Wellness Resource Center, we're going to go back to Mac and Via, and we're going to click on the Health and Wellness Resource Center. But we're going to go up here to where it says Gail Databases, and we're going to click on the Gail Databases. And then we're going to scroll down to where it says Additional Products. We're going to click on Health and Wellness Resource Center, an alternative health module. Now from here we can go ahead and type in our search term and click search. For this one, you may want to focus on books and fact sheets, pamphlets, and so I want to maybe use this one right here. So if I click on it, my citation is now right here. Now this is MLA citation, so remember you're going to have to create a separate works cited page with your MLA citations, and just make sure that Ms. Beckerman is aware that you used sources from this database, and that's why you have the MLA citations. If you have any questions or you need any help throughout the course of this assignment, please feel free to email me at lambertn@friscoisd.org, and I'll be happy to help you with any of the databases or your APA formatting.